like plane and wet like rain. Bathroom break, go on. Now before this video begins, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put it right here, so. At Tyrekevlogs. Now today's reaction is brought to you by the dogs themselves. DrewThoven, cKush, and Gully Ras. Song called Boujua. Straight out of Guyana. Happy birthday to the boy the Prodigy. My chat go people. One day what they are back on the reaction for me right now. Go subscribe to the Prodigy on YouTube. Go check him out in the reaction videos just like how me the reaction videos. You understand me? And the hard man also just like me. Give him a check out the Prodigy. My thing. Follow him on Instagram at the Prodigy. Look up yourself, bro. God. We're going to see what we're going for the song. Yeah. Boujua. You ready? Like out the video, comment and to see your comment in the next video that I post. We'll post every single day. And we only can post 3 times per day now because of YouTube. But run tune. Drip, drip.
All white cocaine, all white cocaine. Girl high like plane and wet like rain, okay. Girl it's okay. Washroom break, BRB, okay, okay.
Pause. She high like plane and wet like rain. Bathroom break, go on, no, hold on, no, hold on. Drip, drip. Alright then, ready now.
All white cocaine, all white cocaine. Girl high like plane and wet like rain, okay. Girl it's okay. Washroom break, BRB, okay, okay.
Washroom break. She gonna wash up. Washroom break, BRB, okay. Go on.
Top stain, girl kiss me with a bit of taste, okay. Might go insane. White cocaine, all white cocaine. I'm fucking with the bourgeois.
Hey.
I'm fucking with the bourgeois.
Well, I want to like, they have the lyrics on the screen so we can read the lyrics. Them now like, you might like it. I must say you
She let me get the youth, yeah.
She love to get the youth.
Fucking with the all white cocaine, all white cocaine. Fully done, so the girl got brains, okay. Pop 10 champagne.
Fully done, but the girl got brains. Make sure you remember that. Girl beg me, don't go, please stay. Okay, okay.
Girl beg me, don't go, please stay, okay. I guess I'll wait. Girl boss got DJ, don't play, she say. Fuck me right here. Any style, any place, any day.
Any style, any place, any day. Knocking with a bourgeois.
I'm fucking with the bourgeois. Fucking with the bourgeois.
Now what does bourgeois mean? Because I don't know what bourgeois mean. It doesn't mean rich, you're rich, you understand me? A rich man or something, you know? Man with money, me no know. I don't know. I'm not going to lie to you, so let me know what that bourgeois mean. Should I ask them before my ask to do the direction that will go on?
She love to get to you, yeah. She love to get to you. She beat your face like color my bourgeois. This happen when you fucking with a bourgeois. Aim your thing, body fat like Puna. Girl here, no make you scream.
What is fat like Puna? She beat the face. Hold on.
She love to get to you. She beat your face like color my bourgeois.
She beat your face like color my puja. I don't know what that is. But she beat the face makeup heavily. Go on.
This happen when you fucking with a bourgeois. Aim your thing, body fat like Puna. Girl here, no make you scream hallelujah. Wait, she teeth white like cocaine. Got your own money in boasting. Then the girl want role play, so we make love.
She want to role play now. No, so something different happening right there. But she beat your face like Palamal. Scream out. Go on.
Coach road tired. Fucking with the bourgeois. Fucking with the bourgeois. She love to get to you, yeah.
Go on then.
She love to get to you, yeah. This bourgeois real bougie.
Yeah.
This bourgeois love Louis. Them like Possad be patonsi. Girl from college, UGUE.
Yui. Or most of a Yui. Not Guyana. Because don't Yui me know a Jamaican. But hold on. This bourgeois is real bourgeois. So I guess bourgeois means a rich young but like you know or something my with money basically. You understand me? But you know what Boujua mean. Oh, I ask Siri? No.
Good. She like they get tired. Yeah. This bourgeois real bougie. This bourgeois love Louis. They might post at be patousi. Girl from college UGUE. Get girl from Saudi and Abu Dhabi. Anytime, any day, any place. Put a thing anywhere where you want. Fucking with the bourgeois. Fucking with the bourgeois. She let they get her youth, yeah. Glory hallelujah.
Glory hallelujah. Done. Freestyle on the Boujua track. Big up Drew. Big up cKush. Big up Gully Ras. I see y'all recommending that song. I say if it's the right song. Y'all recommending a new song just dropping. Something called some kind of whack thing, you know. I go check it out. Very, very soon. But yeah, now we're still for here. So we can't post no more than 3 videos a day now. This is one of the videos then. I may have 2 other songs for this, so the day don't take up already. I know how that go. It's been about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, signing out. I get a cut soon so they can see the full cut, the full style. Okay.